Western Uganda voted by NRA members, the whole country. I am a member of parliament, so if I'm concerned, should we come and escort you as you go to police? So police should be professional in the way it handles its work. Even it is improper to start issuing summons to a man who has buried his son just a few days. Like I have said, maybe Jacob Oulanyah's father needs counseling so that he can come to terms with the loss of his son. At this rate, Fred Enanga might summon Jacob Oulanyah by the time we issue summons. Because now his father is saying, my son told me that it will be Jacob Oulanyah's word against his father. So he might end up summoning Jacob Oulanyah. So my caution for this, yes, you investigate, but do it professionally and avoid dragging our names into this drama of poison. But the position of government remains as read in the medical report that Jacob Oulanyah died of cancer and associated complications, and we should give respect to Jacob Oulanyah, allow him to rest in peace instead of keeping this discussion, I don't know for what benefit. So I really want to caution the police. The word Enanga in my language means it's a musical instrument. It's a harp, which if you touch the string, it gives you the music. But this time, it's giving a discord. It's giving a discord, dragging me into. Because his statement is saying, he's focusing on those who are peddling information that Jacob Oulanyah was poisoned. So from what I have been saying, am I among those who have been peddling that information? So he should be professional in the way he does his investigation. So this time, the real Enanga is making a discord. Not music, not producing music. But I wanted to add my voice to caution all those Ugandans who want to continue with this drama of raising poison, because there is no justification whatsoever for anybody to keep saying that Jacob Oulanyah was poisoned. For police